Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 1st to April the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. Ayan, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Gemini. Ang laki-laking pag-asa. Chances are, this has something to do with your abundance. Abundance may mean literally pera sa ibang tao, no? Abundance may also mean relationships sa ibang tao. Abundance may mean collectibles, kung nangungulit na tayo ng mga bags, shoes, laruan. That's important to me. That is my abundance, no? Abundance may mean peace of mind, di ba? Whatever this abundance is, I feel like may bigla ang parating, no? Bakit parang kinukutuban tayong makukuha na natin? So when it comes to finances, meron talaga, and wealth, meron tayong inaantay na parang inaasahan ko to, bigla tong dadating. Nafe-feel ko na, alam kong mangyayari ito. And from what I am seeing, hindi ka nagkakamali. You must believe in your intuition in here. I think that you have been given, kasi nga, nandito tayo sa Mercury retrograde, no? Medyo lurky ang energies, no, ng ethers. So, chances are, napipick up mo itong energies of the water signs, no? Ngayon, kung either tumataya tayo sa loto at matagal na rin natin itong ginagawa, no? Parang, sige nga, bibigyan ko to ng chance, no? But we need to take a risk, calculated risk. Huwag naman ibigay yung buong sahod, no? Na bukas wala namang kakainin. That's not good, no? What I am seeing in here when it comes to career and job, no, with the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles, I think matagal mo na itong siguro iniispatan. Is that the right word? Gusto kong mangyari to. Merong openings na mangyayari with regard to that position, and I believe that you are needed there, you deserve to be there, and you are meant to be there. No? Including sa job. Kung wala ka pang trabaho ngayon, I think that there is hope in here. You might be traveling, no, into a darkest tunnel right now. Pero sa end ng tunnel ngayon, nakakakita ko ng pag-asa. And I believe itong week na ito yung dadating, no? Mabilisan kasi siya, kaya we need to take some actions, no? There is a sense of urgency for us to gather, harvest, no? Itong energy na ito. With the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords clarified by the Hangman, the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. So, hinahanap natin itong success, no? Chances are, bumibitaw tayo kapag binibigyan tayo ng opportunities. Chances are, bumibitaw tayo o hindi tayo naniniwala kapag nakakakita tayo ng signs. Either synchronicities, no? Let me know sa question sa comment section kung ano yung mga synchronicities. I will give you some examples. Bakit ngayon, araw na to, lagi ako nakakita ng 1111 or 777, no? Or 444. Lately, lagi ako nakakita ng 4444. So, apat na 4. Those are synchronicities, no? The universe, the spiritual realm is talking to us and giving us a message. And we need to listen to that message and we need to take actions on that, no? I believe ito yung sinasabi natin na with the Knight of Wands, kung nasan ka man ngayon, especially if you are having some hardships, no? Right now. Whether this is through your relationship, no? Um, to your career or finances, I believe that this is going to flow, no? Mag-uusad tayo, and I believe you're gonna say thank you. So the doors are openings for you. The portals of opportunities are opening for you. No, singles, crushes, and no labels, including the third party situation. You know what? I feel like ito yung time na sasabihin mo, salamat dahil hindi na ako nag-aantay. Salamat dahil hindi ko na um, kailangan hingin pa, no? Salamat dahil hindi na ako magmamakaawa pa. Salamat dahil hindi na ako kailangan magtampo pa, no? Hindi ko na kailangang hanapin ang puso ko, no? Ibibigay na ito sa akin. So when it comes to married and you are in a relationship, I feel like meron ditong regalo, no? Or pinaghihahandaang regalo sa iyong nalalapit na birthday. I am seeing the Knight of Swords kasi this might be a plan na biglang naisip, no? At ngayon palang paghahandaan. But it requires a bit of, it could be money, no? It could also be a vacation, no? Na kailangan nating paghandaan, kailangan pag-ipunan, kailangan bigyan ng pansin or pagtuunan ng pansin, no? Careers or job, nakakita ko dito na almost, no? Somehow, bigla ang talon, bigla ang pagbabago nitong inyong kinatatayuan, nitong inyong kinalalagyan. Chances are, with the Knight of Swords, parang, uy, sandali, this is an opportunity that will be given at this right moment in time and I need to take action. Hindi man natin na-foresee, pero yung parang bigla ang sinabi, bigla ang announcement, and then kailangan nating mag-take ng action right off the bat. Finances and wealth, so congratulations ngayon pa lang. Dahil nakakakita ko dito na pagkapanalo, it might not be, the willful of fortune. It might not be the, sabihin natin, yung grand prize. Pero I am seeing na meron ding tulong, no, ito sa atin para makapagsimula muli, para umusad. So nakikita ko dito, chances are this is going to change your life, no? Maybe for a short while, kung magaling ka mag-alaga for a long while, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, nagla-live tayo doon. Pwede po kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. That's for your reference. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, pwede rin po kayong sumali. April 1st, i-announce ko ang winner ng ating free personal reading. Follow me sa Facebook, nandun po yung information. Meron po ako naka-pinned video doon. No? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Capricorn, Pisces. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart.